Now let's try go back and make again the code for making sample text. I go to Visual Basic and remove all macros. And if you don't know, still you could cheat and learn how we could generate the text. But as I mentioned before, if I start recording macros, we have limitation and we cannot generate random text in this recording macro method. Instead of that, I stop that and going to Visual Basic, we could actually make a selection text for set. So in this case, I could replace this equal rand with my text. And if you remember, as I mentioned before, also we have limitation for text length. So if I select them all, right click copy, go to Visual Basic Editor and paste it here inside of the codes. Okay, we have a limitation. By reaching end of the line here, we reach the limitation. But how can I make the rest of that? You know, instead of typing selection.type text, etc., I could make it with. I cut that right here with selection dot type text. Okay, and equal. So I could copy that, right click copy. I press tab twice, allow me to make twice to make it longer. Alright, and paste it. Again here, paste, here, paste, and here, paste. And this is extra. Okay. And of course, to finish the with, I finish this block with and with. Okay. Now here we're gonna generate the text and we have the selection.paragraph. Because we have selection here also, I could only make a paragraph after each line. So before that, I could type paragraph and you could copy and paste to make faster. And note that copying the code, it is not bad actually, because if you done by mistake something wrong, when you're pasting, you will review that again and you will realize is it okay or not. So it is double check. And I delete it. Let's try is it working or not. I'm going to the Word, delete the text, macro, run my macro, and yes, it is working. Let's rename it Visual Basic. And on the macro one, I could change the name, generate. As you remember, we cannot add a space. You could use underscore or capitalize the next one. Generate text. Okay. Word. I delete it. Macro. Generate. Run. And we could still continue and continue. But the last one don't have the paragraph mark. So let me fix it. Copy that. And okay, one more to make extra paragraph, and I think that's fine. Okay,